Happy February. Welcome back to the channel. It's me here, Ari. You guys really did enjoy my combos using 3 body mists from Bath and Body Works last time, and you were asking for more. I'll try to make this a series as long as I can and try to show you some different combos that you could use that smell really good. It does take a minute to do this, and then I have the other combos I do on the weekend as well, the full combos, but we'll do this as long as we can, girl. Okay, I'm glad you enjoyed those. They're really helping me get through my products doing it this way. So I'm really on my way to work. I'm just really quickly coming on here and giving you a few of the ones that I've tried. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to do is going to start featuring raspberry. Okay, so I think you saw it in the thumbnail. We start with our Dark Kiss, and this has black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. And then I also went in with the sun ripened raspberry, and this has strawberry leaves and sugar crystals. And then I went in with black cherry merlot. Black cherry merlot has raspberry as well as black raspberry, as a matter of fact. Okay, black raspberry and merlot. This combination is absolutely beautiful, you guys. I mean, I did try Sun Blooms and Suede that has a raspberry note in it as well. It was okay, but this one is better. The Sun Blooms and Suede kind of threw off the combo a little bit. And maybe this is just my nose. I have a very sensitive nose to certain things. And I don't know if because maybe the raspberry wasn't black. But both of these, Black Cherry Merlot and Dark Kiss, both have black raspberry. Okay. And then this has just a regular raspberry. So like I mentioned before, if you have your body wash, mix and match all 3 of your body washes, your lotions, whatever you choose to do. Put some on different parts of your body, and then you could use these 3 in combination, and it will really help. You get dents in your fragrances, you guys. And for me, I want more space, but the more I'm using them and the more I'm getting dents, I'm like, I don't know if I want to use them all up. But I do want dents. I want to be able to use them and get them down. I might have to find another option for storage. But just knowing that I'm using my products and getting through them and they aren't going bad, that's a lot for me. So this combo is combo number 1. And that is Dark Kiss and Sun Ripened Raspberry, Black Cherry Merlot. So this next combo is really going to feature apple blossom, red apple. Okay, now I really feel like I can find something a little bit better. Although this one is good, I haven't really got a chance to look around in my whole collection. I'm just grabbing things so I can make a video pretty quickly. So this is what I grabbed. Okay, so we're going to start with Champagne Apple and Honey. And this has notes of crisp apple, sparkling champagne, jasmine, honey, and autumn woods. Okay. And then I went in with the Pretty as a Peach. And this has blushing peach, jasmine petals, white nectarine, apple blossom, and sheer freezer. Okay. So this has apple blossoms. This has actually crisp apple. And then Plumeria. Plumeria has apple. Okay. It has pink plumeria, peach nectar, red apple, night blooming jasmine, and gardenia petals. But this combo goes well enough that you can definitely wear it and enjoy it. The plumeria, I think I have the body wash. I don't know about some things about layering the body washes and stuff together. I don't know. You just have to try it for you to see how it works. But this is a pretty combination. It does give off apple, but it's not like a bright crisp apple. It's more of maybe an apple blossom. And I don't know if it's as Pretty as a Peach that kind of tamed it down to that. But this is another pretty combo featuring apple that I think you should try. Use your lotion, use your body wash, and find what works for you. But it's a good one. For you Gourmand lovers, this next one, you're just tying in all the pound cakes, girl. So we're going to tie in all of the pound cakes. So we have the ice lemon pound cake with sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake. And then I also went in with the sweet petal pound cake, candied rose, raspberry swirl, frosted bundt cake. And then I went in with strawberry pound cake. And it says fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So I just tied them all together because pound cake is the base note. And it just gives a gourmand. You could add a gourmand oil to it as well. Any kind of gourmand accord would just really set this off. And this is what I did. All three of these. Okay, so this next combo, it gives Clementine, but I think it might be my favorite. Love, love, love this, you guys. Put these together. It's almost giving perfume. Okay, so like I said, it's featuring Clementine. Of course, I went in with Gingham Fresh, and this has juicy pear, sparkling clementine, and fresh daisies. I don't know, it's just funny how this works. And then Calypso Clementine. This is a new one. I said I was going to take it back, but I decided to keep it because it is unique and give it a chance. You know, I'm just so gung-ho on everything being sugary sweet. I've got to get out of that. So, yeah, I decided to keep it. And so this has notes of juicy clementine, neroli nectar, and coastal woods. And then lastly, I went in with cashmere and snowflakes. And this has vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. All right, so put all these three together. I was surprised. I was pleasantly surprised, you guys. The clementine comes together beautifully. It just works out so pretty. I mean, it almost gives a unisex, believe it or not, in my opinion. It almost gives a sweet unisex, but not too masculine. I love it. I mean, you guys got to try it. If you have these, put them together and let me know. This last combo is featuring berries, okay? I love berries, girl. Love berries. So we started with Dream Bright, and this has sapphire berries, night blooming orchard, and crystallized vanilla. And then I went in with pastel skies. I love pastel skies. It has soft cloud berries, pink sponge sugar, and coconut musk. Okay, and then I went in with golden berry mistletoe. Yes, and this has sparkling berries, sugared spruce, and frosted air. Although these are different kind of berries, they work. It works really, really good. So if you love berry notes, you have to try this. Now, I did try some other berries. It didn't work as well. You have to try things out, you know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, even though they do have different kind of berries. This says sapphire berries, this says soft cloud berries, and this says sparkling berries, but it works together. So as I mentioned before, you grab your body wash, you grab your body creams, your body lotions, and apply them all. And yes, girl, I'm seeing dents coming everywhere. All my dents are showing. I can't even... Dents. Love my dents, girl. Okay, love to see my dents, and this is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm coming up with other ways as well. I'll just keep you guys posted, but for now, that's what I've got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what combos have you been trying. Have you been trying to do the 3 body mist body lotions and just tripling up? Okay, just tripling up works to get through your products. If you have a lot of products you're trying to get used or used down so they don't go bad, and you know they're just not sitting there, you're giving them away, girl. We don't do that, okay? We love smelling good over here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.